Today we're going to learn about how to add, subtract, multiply and divide fractions. So here are four examples, and here you can see these are the methods, and I'm going to talk you through these methods. So the first problem here is 1 out of 4 add 2 out of 3. You can see the denominators are different. We have to make sure the denominators are the same. So I'm going to multiply the first fraction with second denominator, which is 3, so 3 times 3, and I will multiply the second fraction with the first denominator, which is here, so multiply by 4, multiply by 4. So my new fraction now is 3 times 1 is 3 out of 3 times 4 is 12, plus 2 times 4 is 8, 3 times 4 is 12. Now you can see the denominators are same, so my answer will be 3 plus 8, which is equal to 11 out of 12. Make sure do not add or subtract the denominators. Method for subtraction is exactly same. So I'm going to multiply the first fraction with the second denominator. So multiply by 3, multiply by 3, and multiply the second fraction with the first denominator, multiply by 4, multiply by 4. Now my fraction becomes 3 times 3 is 9 out of 12. Take away 1 times 4 is 4 out of 12. Now you can see the denominators are same, so my answer will be 9 take away 4. 9 take away 4 is 5 out of 12. So that's how you do add and subtract fraction. If you look at the multiplication is a bit easier than adding and subtraction. All you need to remember is you multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. So my answer now is 1 times 2 is 2 and 4 times 3 is 12. Try to simplify if possible. Simplify your answer. You can see 2 goes into both, so I'm going to divide by 2. So which gives me 1 out of 6. Division. Here is a method. Keep, change, flip. So this method is also called keep, change, flip method. And some schools also say KFC method, keep, change, flip. But what that means is I'm going to keep this fraction and I'm going to change this sign, and I'm going to flip this fraction. So that's why I keep, change, flip. So let's start. Keep the fraction 2 out of 3. Change the sign to times and flip the fraction so it becomes 4 out of 1. Now you can just multiply the top and multiply the bottom, which gives you 2 times 4 is 8 out of 3 times 1 is 3. And we can turn this fraction into a mixed fraction. How many 3 goes into 8? 3 twice is 6. So twice is 6. The remainder is 2, so that goes here. So you can check now. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So that's fine. Okay, now you have these 4 questions. Question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4. You can pause the video and you can have a go at these 4 questions. Here I can give you a head start. You need to turn into a top heavy fraction. So multiply them and add the numerator. So multiply 2 and 5, add 1 to it. So that becomes 11 out of 5. You can do the rest. Thank you.